How's it going, everyone, and welcome to V2 Cloud Tutorials. In this tutorial, you will learn how to schedule your computer to reboot at a certain time using the task scheduler. Step 1, press the Windows button plus R on your keyboard to get to the run box. Then type taskchd.msc and press enter. Step 2, this will launch Task Scheduler. Right-click on the Task Scheduler library and select New Folder. Name the new folder as Schedule Reboot or anything you like and click OK. Step 3, expand Task Scheduler library and select the Schedule Reboot folder. Then right-click on it and select Create Basic Task. Your trigger section lets you decide when your task needs to be run. You can schedule reboot daily, one time, weekly, etc. Select daily and click Next. Specify the time at which you want to run the reboot and click Next. In the action section, select Start a Program and click Next. Type shutdown/R in the program/script field and click Next. Windows may prompt a message box asking for permission. Click Yes. Last but not least, click Finish to complete the task. Thank you for watching. Make sure to click the bell and subscribe button, and see you next time.